For my line segment, my endpoints are 61 and 48 and 40 and 32. To find the midpoint, you're going to want to have the midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. You're going to want to plug in your points into the formula. 40 plus 61 divided by 2 and 32 plus 48 divided by 2. Next, you have to solve. 101 divided by 2 and 80 divided by 2, which gives you 50.5 and 40 for your midpoints. Then you're going to take the first coordinate from your endpoints and apply it to the midpoint formula along with your new midpoints. So you'd use the same formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2, and you just plug it in. So it would be 50.5 plus 61 divided by 2 and 40 plus 48 divided by 2, which is 111.5 divided by 2 and 88 divided by 2. So then you would divide them. So it would be 55.75 and 44 would be your coordinates for midpoint